In this video, you'll learn how to add bank information to your eBay account. This process is essential for setting up your payment methods for selling on eBay, ensuring you can receive payouts directly to your bank account. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are logged in, look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is typically found under your account name or profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. After accessing Account Settings, navigate to the section titled Payments. Depending on your account type, you may also see an option that says Manage Payouts. Click on this option to proceed to the payment settings screen. Once you are in the payment section, look for the option to add bank account. Here you will be prompted to enter your bank account details, input your bank account number, router number, and select the account type from the drop-down menu. Ensure that all entered information is accurate, as any errors may delay the verification process. After entering your bank account details, review the information carefully to confirm its accuracy. It is crucial to double-check these numbers, as they are necessary for eBay to process your payouts correctly. Once you are certain that everything is correct, proceed to submit your bank details. eBay will initiate a verification process that involves sending micro deposits to your bank account. This may take 1 to 3 business days. After you receive these small deposits, return to the payment settings on your eBay account to confirm the amounts. This final step is necessary to activate your bank information for payouts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.